everyone, thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna be using this bag, which I found at Hobby Lobby for half off, for a door floral hanging basket. So let me show you the flowers that I bought. I also have some rubber bands here that I think I want to use to hold the base of all the bundles together, and then I gotta cut them because they're really long. So let's see how that works out. So I know that I want some greenery. I got 2 bundles. It was $12.99 but 40% off, so I got those. These probably won't show, but I hate having tags on things. And I got these lamb's ear that was, I think, $7.99, but I got them for 40% off. I want this to be a neutral basket, so I just grabbed these. I think they're, I don't know if they're peonies or I can't remember what the thing said. These were $8.99, and then of course they were half off or 40% off. So I got 5 of them because I think that's just enough with all of the leaves to fit in the bag. And then I grabbed just one of these. This is just to have hanging onto one side of the basket. And I kind of like visualized everything at the store and kind of grabbed what I thought would look right. So let's see when I put it together if it looks okay. This was $6.99 regular and 40% off of that. So this is gonna hang off the side. I'm gonna do a little longer than what I'm thinking. I have 3 back here and 2 in the front, and that's, I think, kind of how I want the layer to sit. So I'm gonna grab my rubber band. You know what? It's gonna be easier if I cut these down a little bit. These are hard. Okay, let's try that again. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be pretty. Okay, so they're still a little too long for the bag. So I'm gonna, let me lift this up, and then I'm gonna cut them down. Okay, so yeah, they still look good right there. I'm just gonna see the length of it. Oh, look at that. I kind of want these in the back, but I think I'm gonna use 2 of them instead of 3. Open it that way too. See how that looks there. And then either both of these or just one of these, I don't know. Just want to create a layer. I don't know if that should be in the back or in the front. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, I really do like this, and I might have to spread these out a little bit. Okay, I really like how this looks, just with I think the dark green, I want the dark green underneath it. That will be there. So it looks like a big bouquet. Split this in half, a couple up front. Oh, I love that. Let me cut some of these down now. Okay, yes, this is perfect. So I'm just gonna slide these inside of the bag and see how they look. Oh, so I can add in some stuffers. I do have some packing bubble wrap. I have these. I think I'm going to stuff them on the sides. On that side. I think I need a couple more. So these can deflate with time. They don't feel as full. But I've had some of these up there for a good several years, so I think they'll be okay for a while. So just kind of helps keep it centered. So that actually looks good. And then this little guy, let's just see. And there we are, right there. You see that? It just hangs there. And then I bought this burlap ribbon. I wish it was a little wider. I think this is 2 inches. No, it's 1.5 inches. I wish they had 2 inches. This is the only one of this style and color. So this is a little farmhousey, neutral, springy still. Springy just doesn't mean pinks and things. I have a neutral palette in my house anyways, so I could do it in the middle or I can do it to the side. What do you think? Let me just make the bow. Sometimes it takes a minute to get a bow just right. Oh, that's so pretty. I have an old door right by my front door. It's kind of a display piece. I have right now an old wreath that I made a long time ago. It's a burlap wreath. It's super fluffy and it's also farmhousey. It's that darker brown burlap ribbon that I use. I have a video on that if you're interested on how to make it, and it's super fluffy, so it does require a lot of burlap, and it is an old video, but you can still see the process. So if you're interested, I'll link that one below. But this one again is super easy. I do like the idea of putting your arrangement together, wrapping it in like the rubber bands. And then, you know, stuff it. You can stuff it with some wrapping paper, brown paper, the bubble packaging that I had. I'm gonna put this right here on the side because I want to see what it looks like on the side. I forgot to do that. It does look pretty on that side too. Could it look pretty on the other side? I don't know. I might have to work on this bow because I'm not sure I like it. It's a little lopsided. I love this arrangement. I think it's pretty. Actually, I'm gonna put it in the middle. Also, this is much easier to just take out and use the flowers again and put another mixture of florals inside of the basket to fit the seasons. So that's another reason why I do like doing it like this with nothing messy inside. I just wrap it together with rubber band. So yeah. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys like this home decor piece, this basket with flowers for my door. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, everyone.